Hey, what's up, Lakeside? Issac Cardona here, local real estate investor and realtor. I want to show you this cool property because I know you may have seen it while you're driving down Julian Avenue. I know on the last YouTube video I made, someone commented saying that they see it every time they drive their kids to school. Well, I'm super glad that we're able to see it, and I want to make this video to get you inside of the property first of all, and second to let you know that my team buys houses here in San Diego, all throughout San Diego County, and we're always looking for more homeowners to help in regards to either number one, buying their property all cash from them, number two, providing them the real estate service as a realtor to help them buy or sell, or number three, partnering up with them so they can make more money on the distressed home that they may be looking to sell. So let's go inside this cool property, and if you've seen it driving down Julian Avenue, you may have noticed we put this cool fence. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. And I know there's a lot of work going on, so let's go inside and check out some of the renovations that we've done so you can see it before anybody else has the ability to buy this property and compete on the open market. And additionally, if you know somebody that wants to move into the area, contact me. My info is going to be in the link below, in the description below as well. And if they have any questions about moving into the area and they would like to tour this cool property before anybody else has the opportunity to submit their offer, contact me and I'll make sure to make that happen so your friends and family can live closer to you. So enough of that, let's go inside and check it out. All right, here we are. So you can see we got some awesome wood laminate, super beautiful. I think the color for this one is Castle Rock. Look at this kitchen. If you remember before, here from the ceiling onto the floor was the heater system. We've relocated it to the attic to open up this kitchen. And check this out. We've got cabinets installed already. We got the white shaker cabinets. We're gonna be adding some awesome bar handles, the self-closing, a beautiful gray countertop to complement the flooring. We got some crown molding already, some recessed lighting, new windows, and this awesome 6-foot island that we've added right in the middle of the kitchen. And check out this view. So from the outside, I was showing you this cool view that we have going on here. Look at this. Beautiful park scenery. Right? Here we are building the deck. The deck is gonna be out of this door right here. See if it opens up. So you'll be able to walk out and just soak in this beautiful mountain view, this beautiful park that's going on right here. Look at that. Perks of living in Lakeside. So let's continue our tour of the interior of the property. Let me know if you guys like this flooring right here. All right, so in the bathroom, in the guest bath, we've already added the tile flooring. We have the cabinets in here, getting ready to upgrade it with a nice, beautiful mirror, some lighting up here. And look at this tile work we've already got finished here. Awesome bathtub. Bathrooms, there's really nothing in the bedrooms. There's really nothing going on, you know, standard bedrooms. We got the windows installed, the paint. We'll always do carpet in the bathroom, in the bedrooms. So once the house is almost finished and it's already cleaned up, we'll be adding the carpet, a beautiful gray carpet. We'll be adding some awesome fan lights. I think I saw them in the garage. I'll show you here in a bit. And here's the master bedroom. Look at this closet. We'll be adding nice 2 closet doors with some mirrors so you can have awesome mirrors and look at your beautiful selves when you buy this property and wake up to it every morning. We've got the master bath here. Tiles completed. Cabinets installed. Nice vanity. And we'll be adding the same mirror lighting fixtures once this is wrapped up. And then on this side of the house, we have the garage. Well, Lakeside and San Diego, I want to thank you for watching this video tour of this property that we have going on in Lakeside. It's going to be hitting the market around beginning of March. If you have a buyer or if you're interested in looking into getting into the Lakeside area and you want to look at this property before it goes on the market so you don't have to compete with all the other buyers out there, let us know. Contact me. I'm going to put my contact info below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the future renovations that we're completing here in Lakeside and all throughout San Diego County. Just let us know if you have any questions about real estate. I'll always love to answer any questions you have. And stay tuned to more videos of more future properties that we have going on and flipping here in San Diego. Thank you very much and take care.